First of all, I want to thank my sir Diki Narzary who had guided me so much, and I want to thank my father and mother who had made me success in this program, and they made me a success that I want to be. So I want to thank my mother and father as well as my sir Diki Narzary who had guided me so much. Thank you.
Myself Saurabh Sharma and I am from Gossaigaon. I want to thank my sir, Mr. Diki Narzary, who has guided me and trained me to become perfect. And I want to thank my father and mother. Without them, I cannot attend the program of Mr. Teen Borderland Season 4 2024. And I want to thank them for giving me this way. Thank you.
Diva, winner.
So my name is Susmita Brahma. I'm coming from Gossaigaon Jaimagori. So first of all मैं सर डीके नार्जरी को थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ कि मुझे इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे ऐसे मुझे मतलब विनर मुझे अपने मेहनत से मुझे विनर बनाया है. तो सर को मैं बहुत बहुत थैंक्स कहना चाहती हूँ कि मुझे ऐसा सर मिले जो मेरी इमोशन को समझते हैं, मेरे खामियों को मतलब खामियों को देखने बगैर मेरा टैलेंट को देखा सर ने. सो सर को मैं बिग थैंक्स कहना चाहती हूँ कि मुझे ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया. थैंक यू.
So basically, in 2020, I just started my King Dance Academy. So and after that, we have gone through this 2021, 2022, and it's now 2024. We have completed 3 years of this one, our celebration. That I thought that I would take a test as exam, so I can know that what they have learned. So today, I just organized an examination. So in this examination, they have done their great job, and they have scored nice mark. And after that, I want to just say that they are just doing their well best to promote their dance. Of course, of me, I'm the backward in before that. They are the one who just make my name in front of the world. They are the one who make my name shine. So today's it was quite tough to make the examination, but there are a lot of people that are saying that they cannot go beyond the borders. But I want to say that don't just stay inside your home, just come forward. If you have by taking that advantage, I want to say that in our this one Gossaigaon, there is a lot of problems who thought that the dance classes will take such charge, money charge. Actually, it will not that take charge. In my King Dance Academy, according to me, just I want to promote the talent, not of just money, because with talent we can make our students as well as my people of Gossaigaon to promote not only the dance in the states, district, as well as I want to promote them into the world international to come forward and to showcase our talent. I have students of different culture, language and religion. They are doing their best. So I want to promote them and want to take them into the world stage so we can represent our India as well as our Gossaigaon into the world stage. Thank you.
Dance Academy?
It was established in 2020. I was just discussed with my family that told to build it next year, but it was in 2002 I just passed out my 10, and then I thought what would be the benefits of a dance class. Then afterwards I thought that if I open a dance class, then it will take such much charge, but I did not let my confidence down, so I want to take the students in front of the world. With low charges, I'm continuing my classes. I just took a little bit charge, not that financially greater one. That's I want. That's today today I just became in front of you all. Just not a teacher. I just became like a parent of them. I just told them from a little that I have got from the students from 5 or 4 months that they are listening to me. What I say, they just do that. And what that makes me happy, that's being a teacher, I just working like as a parent, as a father. That's what makes me happy. That's why I'm taking the dance classes every day, every Saturday, Sunday. And as well as if there is program, just I take regular classes. And I want my students to be perfect in the future life, so they can tackle all problems in one stage of life, not to struggle in the roadside stands, and to put out those thoughts of the barriers that comes in front of their way. Thank you.
What kinds of dance do you educate to your students?
I just educate my students called freestyle. I just teach them classical, hip hop, jazz, as well as ballet, all the dance forms that I know. I want to make my students to make their self unique, to stop comparing yourself with others because they know their own victory. If they're perfect in their style, they can represent our whole world to the nationals.
What message do you want to convey to this through to this program?
To this program, I just want to convey such message that stop comparing yourself because if you belong to a lower class or a backward class of people, then stop comparing yourself because if you know that your child is unique, then bring up to me that I can make them perfect as well as in their guardian angels. Know that have the Godfather that in just negotiations of this world, if you have the power, just let your child come in front of me, let me make them perfect. I will not take much charge, I will take a little that I want. Because with that money, I'm just continuing my household. I just give the money to my house, because with that money, I just continue my college lab. Because I'm in the 12 now. Then after that, I will give my 12 finals. That's I want. With that money, that's a little money that I am giving, taking in parts. That's invites me. That's what makes me perfect. That through my students and my all students, that their parents are giving such supports and such dignity to speak in front of you all. So thanks their parents for being with their child to me to make them perfect. Thank you. And I want to introduce some of my students that have taken my name into the world district level. So I want to introduce some of you. So here, can I introduce? Here's Saurav Sharma. He is a Bengali guy. And just he have won 2 times in the Mr. Borderland. First he was won Mr. Kid Borderland. Then after that he has won Mr. Teen Borderland twice winner. He had brought the title back to Gossaigaon twice. So, Saurav, want to speak something?
Yes.